What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning how to play Put Your Records On. I have taught this song in a previous video, but the quality wasn't that good, so I'm gonna redo this video and it's gonna sound like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pre-chorus. Cool beans. Before I carry on with this lesson, I want to show you our PDF that we created specifically for this lesson. Okay, it's gonna come up now. So this PDF is really nice. You can download it. You can view all the chord changes. You can look at all the chord shapes. It's pretty sweet. Okay, but before I go any further, we're gonna go through the chords. So the first chord is an A. It's like this. 5th fret, 5, 6, 7. And the next chord is gonna be an F sharp minus 6. Now, technically just these 3 notes isn't not an F sharp minus 6. You're gonna have to add that note at the bottom, and then it's gonna be an inversion. But with the bassist actually plays an F sharp here, okay, on the bass, so it's lower. So, but that's the second chord. The next chord is going to be an E13, so it's like an E9 at the 7th fret. But you just bar with the 3rd finger here, and you add your pinky at the 9th fret. And then you go to E9. Okay, and then the other part of the song uses where is it? F sharp minus 7. Why do do? And then a C sharp slash F. Okay, so F sharp minus 7, and then back to F sharp minus 7, and then to D B B9. Where's the B9? Where's the B9? Ah, sorry about that. Okay, so it's going to be this E9 shape, but played on the 2nd fret, which makes it a B9. Okay. Then a D major 7. And then a D minor 6 at the 10th fret. Which is gonna look like that. 10th fret. Instead of, in the previous video I taught it like that, but I like this chord better, and I listened to the original. This is actually exactly what she plays. I'm pretty sure of it. Pretty dang sure. Alright, that's it. That's it for the rest of the song, and then they also use a B minor. Play B minor, or you can take the index pinky off and play B minor 7. And then instead of an F sharp minus 7, just a normal F sharp minor. To try any longer, do what you want to go. I shouldn't sing the song. Anyway, so let's quickly go over all the parts. The intros and verses. A. Oh, the picking pattern. Let's quickly do the picking pattern. So it's got that vibe the whole time. Dun, dun, dun. And you play with the thumb and these 3 fingers. So it's going to be something like this. Play around with that and you'll be fine. Okay, so the intros and verses goes like this. Starts again. So there's actually an A at the end, and then the pre-chorus F sharp minor, C sharp slash F, F sharp minor, B9, D major 7, Now there you noticed for the F sharp minor 6th I use this chord instead of this one. Oh man, I love my job. Okay, bridge, B minor. Dun, dun. D major 7, and then A. Cool beans, guys. That's it. Have a nice day.